Discover the secrets to making a substantial income online by selling digital products. In this video, I share my personal experience of earning $10,000 in just 1 month by selling digital products. Learn how to create and market in demand digital products, and scale your online business to achieve financial freedom. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, this video will provide you with valuable insights and actionable tips to succeed in the digital product market. From product creation to marketing strategies, I'll cover it all, so you can replicate my success and start building your own profitable online business. Identify high-demand digital products, ebooks, courses, templates, printables, PLR content, etc. Research trending niches using Google Trends, TikTok, and keyword tools. Focus on a problem-solving product with high perceived value. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Gumroad to create and design. Repurpose existing content into a digital format. Ensure professional presentation and branding. Create a landing page using Systema.io, ClickFunnels, or WordPress. Offer a lead magnet freebie to collect emails. Use an email sequence to nurture leads and upsell. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and SEO blogging. Facebook ads, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, and solo ads. Recruit affiliates to promote for you. A/B test pricing and copywriting. Upsell and cross-sell bundles, membership access, etc. Automate sales with evergreen funnels and retargeting ads. Did you know the digital products market is worth over $300 billion and growing fast? Ever thought about making money online but don't know where to start? Well, I made $10,000 in just 1 month selling digital products, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. The first thing I did was choose the right digital product. Instead of guessing, I researched trending niches using Google Trends, TikTok, and keyword tools. I focused on a product that solves a problem people are willing to pay for. Some of the best-selling digital products include ebooks, templates, courses, and printables. I chose a niche I was familiar with and that had an active audience looking for solutions. Creating the product was easier than you might think. I used AI tools like ChatGPT to structure the content, designed everything using Canva, and set it up for sale on Gumroad. If you're not a designer, don't worry, there are plenty of done-for-you templates available. The key is making your product visually appealing and easy to use. Next, I set up a simple but effective sales funnel. I created a landing page where people could learn about my product and sign up for a freebie. This helped me build an email list and warm up potential buyers. My email sequence included valuable tips, testimonials, and limited time offers to encourage purchases. Traffic is everything when it comes to selling digital products. I used a mix of organic and paid strategies to drive people to my offer. On TikTok and YouTube Shorts, I shared short, engaging videos about my product's benefits. On Instagram and Pinterest, I posted visuals showcasing how my product solves a problem. To scale faster, I ran low-budget TikTok and Facebook ads, targeting people already interested in similar products. I also leveraged affiliate marketing. I reached out to influencers and content creators in my niche, offering them a commission for promoting my product. This allowed me to get sales without spending on ads, and it helped my product reach an even bigger audience. Once sales started coming in, I focused on optimization and scaling. I tested different price points to find the sweet spot where conversions were highest. I added upsells and bundle deals to increase the average order value. I also collected testimonials from early buyers to build trust and credibility. With all of these strategies working together, I was able to generate over $10,000 in just 1 month. And the best part? Digital products require no inventory, no shipping, and they sell on autopilot. At first, I struggled to get consistent sales. I had a great product, but my traffic was unpredictable, and conversions were low. Then, I made one key change that completely transformed my results. Instead of just driving traffic to my sales page, I built a simple funnel with a free lead magnet. This was a game changer. I created a valuable freebie, something small but useful, like a checklist or mini guide, that aligned with my main product. When people signed up for the freebie, they were automatically added to my email list, where I nurtured them with helpful content and soft sales pitches. This built trust and kept my audience engaged, so when I introduced my paid product, they were much more likely to buy. The second breakthrough came when I started leveraging short-form video content. I realized that people were making thousands just by sharing quick, engaging videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So I started posting daily, showing how my product solved real problems. I used hooks like "if you're struggling with, here's a quick solution," and within days, my videos were reaching thousands of people. Once traffic picked up, I optimized my sales strategy. I added limited time discounts and created urgency by showing social proof testimonials from real buyers who loved my product. This simple tweak increased my conversions instantly. With these strategies working together, I was able to generate over $10,000 in just 1 month. Did you know that one digital product can generate thousands of dollars in passive income? Meet Sarah, a freelance graphic designer who turned her skills into a $15,000 business in just 2 months without any prior experience in digital product sales. Before starting her digital product journey, Sarah was working as a freelance designer, creating custom logos and branding kits for clients. The problem? She was trading time for money. Every new project required hours of work, and she could only take on so many clients per month. She wanted a way to scale her income without working more hours. That's when she discovered digital products. Instead of doing custom work for every client, Sarah packaged her most popular designs into pre-made logo templates and Canva branding kits. These digital products allowed small business owners to quickly customize a professional logo without hiring a designer. She listed her products on Etsy and Gumroad, 2 platforms with built-in audiences, so she didn't have to worry about setting up a website or finding customers from scratch. Sarah knew she needed traffic to her shop, so she focused on free organic marketing through Pinterest and Instagram. On Pinterest, she created eye-catching pins showcasing her templates in action. Since Pinterest acts as a search engine, her pins kept bringing in visitors day after day. One viral pin alone led to 5,000 plus views and hundreds of sales in a few weeks. On Instagram, she used short-form videos, reels, and stories to show behind-the-scenes clips of her design process, testimonials from happy customers, and simple tutorials on branding. Her best performing video was a 15-second clip showing how to create a logo in Canva using her templates. That video alone brought in over 1,000 sales. At first, Sarah priced her logo templates at $10 each. Sales trickled in, but she realized she was leaving money on the table. She tested a tiered pricing strategy: single template $15, bundle of 5 templates $49, complete branding kit, logos, color palettes, social media templates $99. Once she introduced bundles, her average order value doubled. Most customers chose the branding kit because it provided more value at a slightly higher price. With consistent traffic from Pinterest and Instagram, plus her optimized pricing strategy, Sarah hit $15,000 in sales within 60 days. By month 3, her income had stabilized at around $7,000 per month, with minimal effort required beyond customer support. Turn services into scalable digital products to break free from trading time for money. Use platforms with built-in audiences, Etsy, Gumroad, etc. to get instant visibility. Leverage Pinterest and Instagram Reels for free, organic traffic that keeps growing. Offer bundles and tiered pricing to maximize revenue per customer. If you're thinking about selling digital products but don't know where to start, drop a comment below with your biggest question. And the best part? Digital products require no inventory, no shipping, and they sell on autopilot. If you want to learn more about selling digital products or need help getting started, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more online business tips. If you want to learn more about selling digital products or need help getting started, let me know in the comments. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried selling digital products, or are you thinking about it? Drop a comment below and let me know what questions you have. Also, if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more online business tips.